If you want to fix blurry images or just increase the quality of your images, you can do it right inside of Capcut with AI. As you can see here, I have two blurry images. One is the beer right here and the other one is a Minecraft item. To increase the quality, we just go here to AI Media, AI Image, and then click on the plus icon to upload an image. We are starting with the beer. Then just type in increase sharpness and clarity. Keep the model as it is and also the aspect ratio. Keep it on fit or change it if you want. Then just click on generate, wait a few seconds, and as you can see here, the AI didn't match what we want exactly. It's sharp and everything, but it's not exactly the same image with higher quality. So we just click on generate again, wait a few seconds, and here under the options we can find this one. Just keep generating until you get the same image with higher quality, and in comparison you see it's way better. It's almost perfect. We can do exactly the same with the Minecraft block, so let's try it. Same, just upload the image and type in increase the sharpness and clarity. Keep the model as it is and then just click on generate. Wait a few moments, and this time it was successful in the first try. If you want to export images in Capcut, just click on this 3 lines hamburger icon in the top right corner. Click on export still frames, give it a name, a safe location, and the rest you can keep it like it is, PNG, and then just export. And here you are.